In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an AOC monitor that is not turning on or not working with an easy step-by-step guide. If your monitor won't power up, these tips will help you get it back to working condition. First, check the power connection. Make sure the power cable is securely plugged into both the monitor and the power outlet. Try a different outlet if needed. Next, verify that the power button on the monitor is pressed properly and the power indicator light is on. If the light is off, the monitor might not be receiving power. Inspect the power cable and adapter for any damage. If you have a spare power cable or adapter that fits your monitor, try using it to see if the problem is with the power supply. Check the video cable connection between your monitor and computer. Make sure it's securely connected on both ends and not damaged. Try a different video cable or port if available. If your monitor has multiple input sources, use the monitor's menu buttons to switch to the correct input: HDMI, DISPLAYPORT, VGA, etc. Try connecting the monitor to another computer or device to rule out a computer issue. If the monitor still doesn't turn on, try a hard reset by unplugging it for a few minutes, then plugging it back in. If none of these steps work, your AOC monitor might have a hardware fault and require professional repair or replacement. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes and guides.